In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable the Energy Saver mode on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. Select System on the left panel, and then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select Power. And then there should be an item where it says Energy Saver. Click on that option or menu to expand it, and then toggle the Always Use Energy Saver to the off position, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.